Tapa koe a fio ai o tua mama fio na o to tonga. Fatapa ta kita ua si o no mele le kune. Fatapa ta dia o e na bangai ha apa to pe fa fatapa ua e tau a fama o society tonga. Fatapa ta ki sola o lani ya kawa o ta fa nau ai pakatama o ta ke ki ya fa ko lo o e. Pakia halia e mo'ua o ka mahalo ia e o mo mea mai e tau umataha ia o ka whataha i ono whataki ai tare nini ka koe ka haku o toa i whonuani ka koe whiwhia ka whakamahalo atu. Koe te mo whakaao me whakahaatu koe no mai whanau ka manaki i nau mei pā i e whiawhi koe nini o nau ke iako pe o nau manako ke nau pepe a fula ai tau tau whatumatua koe tau whaika whakatoa tau tau te whito ki e tau kolonga. Koe ai i kai ke koe whakakoroa koe tai tari le te ko tolu koe ni koe tau kolonga rama o ku whakatolu ni mai kau whiau i ta tau wako sāpate. Ka koe whamahalo ia pe te wasi e kutaine lai e le watu ai whawhilo aki i e lea whapitania malo.
Hello, Mito. I would like to thank our Heavenly Father for this opportunity to celebrate our Tongan culture. I'd like to acknowledge our special guests, our judges, and our sponsors. Thank you for being here. I'd like to thank our Tongan community for being here and celebrating our rich culture, and also welcome to the non-Tongans. I think it's very important as a youth growing up in New Zealand to have an event where we can stay grounded and connected to our culture. So I appreciate you guys supporting the purpose of this event, which is to preserve our traditional arts through our beautiful young ladies, and also to challenge them to elevate to the next level in their Taonunga journey, which is through competition. So thank you so much. This turnout just shows how important and how much we value our culture, our dance, and our people. So thank you guys so much. I hope we all enjoy, get mawhana, have a lot of food. Don't forget to dance when the DJ's playing, and malo apito. Thank you so much.